So I've been curious, which one is really safer? This generic barn door hardware or my Freedom clamp from HardwarEvolution? I'm about to compare these two side by side and hopefully I don't fall on my ass. But first, let's take a look at what's going on structurally. This generic hardware has holes every 16 inches. Unfortunately, the stud pattern around doorways rarely lines up. As you can see on my model here, the best that we could do is probably 3 anchor points. Now with HardwarEvolution, the brackets bolt directly to each stud and then clamp the track in place. So let's put these two brackets head to head and we'll see who wins. Don't let these huge muscles fool you. I only weigh $135, so if this thing can't hold me, there's no way it's gonna hold the door. Now, if I were mounting a door on here for real, I would have used all 5 brackets. But because I trust these things, I only use 2. Seems pretty strong to me. Now let's get that other one up here and see what happens. Okay, I'm a little nervous. Not all of these are in a stud, and I put some duct tape on there just to prevent me from getting impaled, so alright, let's do this. I'm really nervous. Whoa. That's definitely not safe. Freedom clamp is the winner. HardwarEvolution. Alright, today I brought in an expert in structural engineering and load distribution. Oakley, can you tell our viewers which bracket you think is safer?
This one.
Okay, let's try that one more time. Oakley, can you tell our viewers which one you think is safer?
This one.
And why do you say that?
Because my dad made it.
Oh, thank you.